What's good, YouTube? Finna bring y'all a POV drive in my Trackhawk. No, it's not a real Trackhawk, obviously. But if you watch I crashed my Camaro video, you know why I call it a Trackhawk. It looked like one, basically, but it ain't nothing like no track. But yeah, we finna give y'all a little POV drive. And yeah, we about to just get inside and get straight into it. What? Big track. We're already ready, bro. No, this been quiet. Put my seatbelt on so I don't get the beeping on our eye. Man, this big old bus, truck, van, or whatever you want to call it. Still be driving that thing though. Oops. No, I ain't gonna put it in sport mode. Sport mode don't do nothing in this. You ever drunk this manual though? Got manual mode. Finna flush it down there. When we stop, I just seen a cop. They gonna try to get me a ticket so fast. Oh, that Mustang. Soon passing him in the track. A little slider. Move out the way, truck. Run you over. Big track. Rev the engine. Put that bit in manual mode. Downshift. Get them RPMs up. You know what I'm saying? Try to get back. Let me stop landing these people car, bro. They gonna watch the video and back and be like, this is why we don't rent to people under 25. You thought we was gonna let you get a Mustang. Negro, please. You couldn't even handle this Jeep. Regular Jeep. Turned it into a Trackhawk. Stupid eye. You're not gonna say nothing. You just gonna act like you're not in the video.
Say nah.
Thug life. I just need some space, bro. To clear it up, we out this hole. I'm talking about we doing 200 in the track. Y'all hear it, bro? But it's trying to go, bro. I'm telling you, bro. She trying to push it. I gotta sneeze. Oh, I appreciate that one. No more.
I wonder if somebody said bless you at home for real.
Hey, man. If you said bless you, put it in the comments, man. If you said bless you for me, appreciate y'all. I doubt nobody said it, though. I bless myself, though.
sidewalk once you get out of this car.
Hey, man, it could be on the sidewalk. When I give it back. Nigga. Get that little Chevy out of the way. Big Jeep.
Red light, camera ahead.
Ooh. Almost crashed into the back of her. We over here by the hospital?
I guess.
No, we not. We over here by West Colonia. Big track. Big track, get back. Yeah. Big track, get back. Why you got your turning signal on? You ain't turning, my guy. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Dying. Man, shit, we just gonna go straight home. I was gonna get on the highway, but I ain't feel like doing all that.
They go to rail track.
Nigga, this a real track, bro. What you talking about? Watch this. Finna stab off the line.
What people say? We got Trackhawk at home.
Dang, green light. Finna race this chisel. Big track, nigga. Big track, watch out. Little baby. Big track coming down the lane. Big track in motion, man. That's the cop over there. Fuck him. Big Brimbo. I know y'all hear that bit. Oh, A-Sign. Edit V8 noises in the back of the video, bro.
Nah, bro, I got you live.
Go ahead.
Supercharger. What you say? You got turbos?
It been supercharged.
Yeah, but and turbo.
Alright, let me stop if I get a ticket, man. I bet it was taking off though, I ain't gonna lie.
Supercharger.
Tracky get backy, you feel me? Tracky get backy. I'm talking about this thing moving, bro. I ain't not gotta slow down over no railroad tracks. Take this bit off road if we want to.
Dang, that thing.
We ain't even feel that a bit.
I kind of prayed it was gonna go doom doom doom.
Shit. I'll take this over the curb.
OBT really putting it to the test.
The fuck is that? That's a track? No,
It's a
you're
toy.
not. Nigga, you wish you was a track like me. Little baby. You don't want to race. We lined it up. I'm out of there.
This should even look better. It's a white hard. What, gray?
Hey, Bunkai, what car are you riding in? Who are you a fan of?
I'm sorry.
Look at that. He don't get back like this. I forgot to make the supercharger noises.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Hold on. We gotta start over. Alright. Alright, we vibing. Dang, bro. Track can get back, boy. They wish they had one of these. We out of there. Take this bit off road somewhere. Chucky, get back, you nigga! Chucky, get back, you nigga! Oh, shit. Well, Chucky got no choice but to get back, you nigga, because if they pull out, nigga, I'm going to the ducky, nigga. We doing the ducky. Ain't that what his son be saying?
Yeah.
We hitting the ducky. Hey, you heard that Bill Wine? Just you heard that, man? You heard that, man? Oh, man. Transmission giving out. Ooh-wee. Been having too much fun in this bit, because it ain't mine. Watch this. Come on, man. Get back in the track. I would have took that bit in the grass for the video.
I thought he was.
I thought about it. Off road.
Nigga look drunk.
Shit.
Boy, you wanna hit that? Median.
Off roading it, bitch. Shouldn't have gave me a G, bitch. Big SRT powers. And get right off the meter. Don't be sneezing in my video, nigga. SRT kid. Can I cut up?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Tracky, get backy, man. Get out of here. Out of there. And if they want to hop behind us, we doing a dash. I ain't got very much dash, but I'll still try to do that bit.
Who's we?
Oh, you in the car with me, nigga. So me and you. Twin. Where have you been? No? You not feeling it? First chasing the track?
Nope.
Ain't no. Ooh, he getting. Ooh! He in the roller. He out of there. Oh no, he got caught by the light. I'm about to crash into the back of him, and I'm about to lose this and Roxy. That would be a bad day for me and my insurance. Anyway. Stolen car B. What you listening to? Slow out Mustang. gonna lie, he beating us right now. Oh shit. That'd be crazy. Roll my window up, please. Appreciate that. You good dude, good dude. He finna cut up? No, he not cutting up. Oh, he cutting up. He out of there. Cutting up in that.
Oh, it is out of
Got his license plate number. Give him a ticket. He's speeding.
That would be funny.
Oh, where am I going, bro? Move that. Shit, we almost home now. Alright, YouTube. It's be mad cops up here. So I'm gonna just cut the video right about here. The tracky get backy. It's going to bed. We all be easy. Damn!
Hit the curb. God, dog.